Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fitness studio website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on the product section, and here we're going to click on add product, and we're going to start uploading all of our products. For example, we are going to start with a beginner's introduction to the basics, or better yet, we're going to start with a, for example, power lifting for beginners. Now we're going to copy our title, and over here in the description we're going to click on generate text, and we're going to paste our title right over here, and we're going to click on generate. This way, Shopify is going to give us a description generated with AI, and we can either choose to generate the description again or just keep the one we already have. I'm going to just keep this one, and next here on media we're going to be able to select a new photo. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and this would be the image for our product. Here on the category section we're going to be able to change the category of our product. Usually Shopify is going to choose one for us, and it's almost always correct, but here it isn't, so I'm just going to put here fitness. And as you can see here, I'm going to have, for example, fitness and wellness as our category. Here on the right we're going to have, for example, our product type, our vendor collection. Here be sure to check the homepage collection right over here, and the tags section. For our product type, for example, we can put that it's a service, and if we want to put a tag, we can put, for example, maybe gym. And as you can see, now we are going to have a couple tags, a collection added, and a product type selected. For the pricing, let's say that we're going to charge around 30,000 pesos for our service, and the cost per item is going to be around, let's say, 15,000 pesos. So this is going to leave us another 15,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track, and we're also not going to do any kind of shipping, but here we have a wait section in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Once we are done, we are going to save our changes, and as you can see, now we have our first product uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on add product, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see here, I have added all of my services. And next we're going to go over here on our online store, and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to customize our themes. If you go down, you can see that Shopify is going to give us a bunch of free themes for use. But if we want to buy some, we can go over here and visit the Shopify theme store. This is going to redirect us to, well, the Shopify theme store, and we're going to be able to see a lot of different themes for sale. For me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So we're going to go back over here, and we're going to click on customize. Here we're going to have a lot of different sections that we can customize. For example, we're going to click on this one. As you can see, each section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and over here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have all the different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, so we're going to click over here on select and add images to select an image for our banner. For example, I'm going to select this one, and once it's done uploading, I'm going to click over here on done, and the image of our banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to change over here our heading. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my fitness studio website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. Here we're going to click over our template on add a section, and a lot of different sections of options, are going to appear. Here we're going to have a featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, a new section over here has appeared. Now here I'm going to click over here to select a new product, and I'm going to put, for example, a my core focused training. As you can see, now this product is being displayed right over here. And if we want, we also have a lot of different options right over here that if to further customize our section. So feel free to play with them if you so want. For example, I'm going to go over here to our color scheme and I'm going to change the color to a dark theme. And as you can see, now this section is going to have a nice dark theme. Now, let's say that we have added a new section, for example, a featured collection, and we want to delete this section. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have this section selected, and we're going to click over here on remove section on the bottom right. Once we have clicked it, you can see that this section is going to be removed. Now, we can also add sections to our footer. As you can see, we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Now, another very important thing about our header is going to be this thing right over here. You can see that it says my store because this is going to display our store's name. So in order to change it, we're going to save our changes up until now. We're going to exit and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to select name your store and we are going to be able to change our store's name right over here. For example, I'm going to just put fitness studio and I'm going to save my changes. So in order to make sure that everything is set up just the way we want, we're going to go back to our online store. We're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here, where before it said my store, now our new store name is going to be displayed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we wanted. And once we are done checking up our website, we are going to go over here on the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our average order value, and our total orders. Also, we are going to have a lot of different useful things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you guys the discount section. Here we're going to click first on add discount, and I'm going to choose an amount of products. And here we're going to be able to make our own customizable discounts. First, we're going to choose a code for our discount. For example, we can write over here fitness 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to create a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage amount, and it's going to be around 10% discount. Here we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. So I'm going to click on browse and I'm just going to choose the products of my home page. Next, we are going to be able to choose if we need any minimum purchase requirements for our discount. We can choose the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses our discount has, the combinations, and right at the end, if we click over here on set end date, we are going to be able to choose an expiration date for our discount right over here. So once we have customized our discount just the way we want, we're going to click over here on save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.